Welcome to Zoatoons. Let's enjoy today's video.
In a forest surrounded by dense green trees, all the animals live happily and peacefully. Among them, the king of the forest, the lion, cannot remember anything. Now, if he says something, he forgets it again after a while. Everyone is very worried about him.
Today, we will have a big running race. Whoever wins will get sweet honey.
Wow, honey!
Yay, this will be some fun! I'm definitely joining.
Hey, Mr. Lion, you're saying you'll give us honey now, but you'll forget it in a moment.
What? I don't forget that much. Everyone, stop laughing! Let's start the race!
Oh no. Today I finally planned a running race, and it started raining. Now what will we do? Won't the race happen? We were all so excited. Don't worry. This rain won't last long. In this kind of weather, rain never stays for long, you silly.
I think the race will be even better in this weather. Running on the wet ground will make the game more fun.
Then let's go, friends. We'll start the race in this weather. So, from where should we start the race, friends?
Let's start the race right from here. There won't be any problem.
Okay, yes, we'll start from here. Friends, line up in one straight row. We'll start the race right from here.
Everyone, get ready. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh no, I didn't mean to!
What did you do? Everyone has already gone ahead of us.
I'm really sorry. It was an accident.
Haha! Why did those two get scared?
Catch me if you can! Hey, cheaters! Let me go! Please let me go. Why are you all doing this?
Hey friends, we're back.
Did you miss us?
I slipped because of this silly bear.
Sorry.
Actually, I was the one who bumped the bear.
Wait, what?
Oh, really? Then wait right there, mister. Catch me if you can! Stop it, you guys! Gotcha, tickle monster.
He's so rude.
Looks like I didn't get to eat the honey. What? Honey? Look! Our Lion King forgot everything again.
Oh, now I remember.
Hi, friends! Look, the beehive is right in front of us. The honey is dripping yummy! I'm really tempted to eat all that honey. Lion, sir, should I steal the honey and run? No, my friend. This is our jungle's treasure. How can we steal what belongs to us? No, my friend. That cannot happen. So, does that mean we can't eat the honey? We will eat the honey that has fallen to the ground. That way, everyone can enjoy it. Go ahead, my friend. Taste the honey and see how it is. Wow, this is so delicious! Friend, this tastes amazing! Everyone, come and try it!
Yummy honey!
We will never waste our jungle's resources! We will protect our jungle